Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you're enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 2. We are learning Unit 4. Its title is The Running Machine. Today is lecture 4. Under the title of grammar, we learn about position words and we'll cover page number 33 of your book. Previously in grade 1, we have learned about describing words. I hope you remember that describing words, describe naming words. If you remember, well and good. Otherwise, you may watch this video again. So today we'll learn further and we'll cover the SLO to recognize, identify and use a few words showing position. For example, to, from, up, down, here, there. These are prepositions of location, and a few words showing position, for example, in, on, to, with. This is our today's SLO. So let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah says in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 255, He, Allah, knows what happens to them, before them and behind them. Allahu Akbar. Yes, my dear children, this is a beautiful verse showing the supreme power of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah is saying Allah knows whatever is before us. So we can also see whatever is happening before us. But whatever is happening behind us, we don't have power to see. But who can see that? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So here, these words before, behind are position words. So we'll learn further about it. Position words are specific words that describe a naming word's position or location relative to an other naming word. Yes, my dear children, one naming word in a relation with another naming word, how they are linked, how they are positioned according to each other. Here is the example. Ali is sitting in the car. You can see Ali is sitting in the car. Now, Ali is a naming word. We know it. Car is also a naming word. So, Ali and car, and sitting is the position. This is the action. And what is the link? That is in. So, where Ali is in relation to car, it's in the car. Ali is sitting in the car. So, the word which shows the position of one naming word related to another naming word, this word is known as position word, right? Another example is Karachi is in Sindh. Now, Karachi is located in Sindh. This word is telling its position, where Karachi is located. And it is far from Gilgit. Now, look at this map. Here is Gilgit, here is Karachi. So, they are far away. This from and in. So, what the relation of Karachi and Sindh is? Karachi is in Sindh. So, this word in is telling the position of Karachi according to Sindh. And what the relation of Karachi and Gilgit? They are far from each other. So, this from is telling their location. So, these words which tell about the position, the location of naming words are known as position words. Are you getting it? Okay, I'm giving you another example. The blue shoes. Now, we know blue shoes is a naming word for a thing, are under the chair. Chair is also a naming word of a thing. So, what their relation is? Shoes are placed under the table, under the chair, sorry. There is a chair and blue shoes are under the chair. So, this word under is showing the position of shoes, the location of shoes in accordance with the chair. Are you clear with the concept? You got it? Okay, my dear, let's learn further and see what does your book say about it. Open your book on page number 33. So, it's mentioned here position words. Position words tell us about the position or location or placement of any naming word, they tell us where the people, places, and things are. So we know naming words refer to person, place, and thing. So the word which tells where this person is, or where this place is, or where this thing is a position word. So simple, isn't it? Yes, so let's see its examples. The toys are in the box. So where are the toys? Box is a naming word for a thing, toys is a naming word for a thing, and toys are placed in the box. Here we can see. So this word in is telling. If I say the toys are the box, can we find the toys? No. We say in, which tells us where the toys are. Toys are in the box. That's why this is position word. Are you clear? Okay, let's see the other example. There is a vase on the table. So if I ask you where is the vase is on the table. So this on is telling us the position of vase. Clear? Good. Now it's time to practice. And my dear fellow teachers, along with this video lecture, in description box, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, print it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. And my dear students, open your book on page number 33. This is practice time of the concept. What you are supposed to do, fill in the blanks with the correct preposition word by looking at the picture. So here are the position words. This is the word bank for you. These are the sentences. You have to read the sentence carefully. You may take help by looking at the picture and complete the sentence by choosing the correct position word. Right? Pause the video and enjoy this activity. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job. So it's time for your homework. What you are supposed to do, write position words in your notebook from this lesson. From lesson number 4, you will select the position word, you will list it and write it in your notebook. And I'm giving you a worksheet. Again, dear fellow teachers, along with this video lecture, in description box, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation, and this worksheet link is given. You may click it, download it, print it, and kindly give a printed worksheet to my children for practice. And students, what you will do, you will tell what is the position of the objects and write the answer in the empty box. This is the word bank for position words. You will read the question, write the answer by filling the blank using these position words. This is the worksheet all about. Also color it. So what we have learned today, we recognized, identify and used few position words. For example, to, from, up, down, here, there. We also recognized, identify and used few location words. For example, in, on, under. So in this way, and we also practiced the concept. And we achieved our today's SLO, that was to recognize, identify and use few words showing position. For example, to, from, up, down, here, there. Preposition of location, a few words showing position. For example, in, on, to, with. So are we done with it? Yes, I hope you enjoyed practicing it. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.